Yo, what's up YouTube? In today's video, we are going to be, for the first time, opening up 3 Pokemon cards. Sadly, before I opened a pack, I got some good stuff. I got Sandlit, Woo. Here, I'll show you. This one doesn't count. That. And then this one. And this is my best one from there. This one too. But anyways, we're gonna open some of these, okay? We're gonna open these. My puppy, he got, all 4 of those. They're all from the same series as the Stellar Crown, Scarlet and Violet. And if you haven't watched the original show of Pokemon, it's free. Go to Netflix and just put Pokemon, and then it'll say Indigo, the Indigo League. And yeah, you'll see it. And comment down below if you like my binder. What? I choose you. Okay, but anyways, let's go. Let's see, which one should we do? Should we do this one? Lugia? Pick one. I'm gonna go with Lugia. Okay, we got the Lugia one. Alright, let's go. Okay, open it. So if you buy these cards, we got it from Raley's. Yeah, Raley's. Don't open it from the bottom up. Look for the back, and then if you feel the Pokemon card or the pack, let's do that. Card's right here. I'm gonna set this. I'll be back. We don't have scissors, but wire cutters. We did go to the movies. We went to go watch Moana 2. And then I went to my football practice. I just came back. It is 6:52. I'm not looking. Take that off. We don't need those. Alright, ready? Let's see who we got. We got Evie, Comfy, Locust, Charseted, I don't know that. Alexavire. It's like the evolved version of Electabuzz. Jarity, Lapras, Yamis, Impidimp, Melmetal, and Basic Energy. We didn't, sadly, get any good cards. This one is like kind of shiny, but it doesn't really do nothing. I'm gonna put them in my binder. Eevee. Oh, shout out to Jarito. Subscribe to his channel. He likes doing videos. I like doing videos. I was spending the night at his house because we're gonna do a turkey bowl at 10 in the morning. Themo, Dandu, Fabio, and Ramon were all there. We were sleeping and stuff. I don't want to spoil it too much, but yeah, I like it. And Messi's the GOAT. I don't care what you say, Messi is the GOAT. I got the Messi jersey. The Bills are playing. I don't know if you can see. The Bills versus the 49ers. The 49ers are getting their butt whooped. Alright. This one or this one? Which one should we do? Wait. I'm gonna do eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by his toe. If you hold, let him go. Meeny, meeny, miny, moe. Alright, we're doing this one. Oh. Get the wire cutters. And these are very powerful, but it's a Sunday, so I'm gonna get this over with. But while I'm trying to do this, like and subscribe. Subscribing is simple, easy. It's free. I don't know if I said that. Don't ever get in trouble, don't lie. Try different sports. Okay, ready? Wait. What the heck? Bro, I already got this card. In the last pack, I already got him. These are real cards. Don't get the ones from the board together. They're fake. Okay, Yamisk. Bombardier. Rhyhorn. Guess not. To get those right here. Oh, I got Carnivine, Brayer, Oh my god, bro. I already got Electivire. I already got him. What? My bad. I accidentally pressed the button. Because I'm playing it on the phone. Oh my god, bro. Are you serious, bro? Eevee, you're killing me, bro. Oh, shoot. Lantern. Garganacel. I don't know. Shiny. Basic energy. Not that good. We got mostly copies. So if you guys want one, just comment, and then since I don't have a TikTok account, just comment, and I don't know, last pack. Get rid of this. I don't need that. Okay. First card. Slowpoke. Froakie. Alrighty, bro. Fan wrote him. Frog eater. Okay, okay. Pangoro. Celebi. Next card is pretty good. Shiny crystal. I don't even know. Salazar. Doesn't even. I don't even know how to pronounce some of these. Archaludon. I have no clue how to pronounce that. I don't even know if I pronounced it correctly. Basic sidekick energy. Well, that is the end of it. Scan this QR code or use this code and see if what happens. I haven't done it yet. The thing is to get your things on phone. Like if you open it and then you can get cards on your phone. Well, that's gonna be a wrap. I have a lot of Pokemon cards. All this is covered with Pokemon cards. And I have some baseball cards. Comment down below what type of cards I should do next. I'll try to do it. Don't get in trouble, don't lie, don't do none of that stuff, okay? See you later. Peace.